Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is one step at a time. It doesn't matter if it's 1 day at a time, 1 hour at a time, 1 minute at a time, 1 second at a time. Make sure you continue to move forward. Steps towards your blessings, steps towards where you're going. Do not keep your eyes ahead toward the destination, because the next destination is a distance away. But if you continue to be the lamp unto your feet and light unto your path, watch where you're walking. Don't walk into any ditches. Don't walk into any ruts, any funks, any negative, depressive states. You just keep moving every single day. As long as you do something, 1 small step a day is closer to your blessings. And in no time, you're going to look up. You're going to be over that mountain. You're going to be over out the valleys, out of your wilderness, and you're going to be in your blessing because you took 1 step at a time. The story of the tortoise and the hare. Be the tortoise. Take your time, but stay consistent. I see the mountain ahead, and I dedicate myself to taking 1 step at a time. I make progress by staying focused on the present moment, the current task, and I regain the ease of living. Simplify your life. Simplify the journey. It's going to maximize the benefits and the results quicker than you actually will imagine. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.